right, good morning. I'm just getting home, getting off of work, but wanted to do a quick little rehash of GJ. Kind of saw how it played out, so wanted to share my thoughts with you guys, and you guys can come back to go back and watch this video later. Um, so I was just making little notes on my chart where I saw different, opportunities. So from this second arrow that's selected here, I'm gonna make that a different color real quick. Let's go with blue. So we saw the market kind of give you a nice push up to this orange zone. Eventually, it paused and stopped and dropped, gave you a nice little M there. So there was a short term opportunity for a sale. And then let me jump on Zoom from on my phone too, just in case somebody joins the link. So, so from here, we see the market, was pushing up, and then it hit this area of uh, resistance, previous support. Here's the candle that breaks and closes below, and then it pulls back and retest. We had a nice little drop for about, let's see, 36 pips, and then they pulled back again for another 43 pips. So as you can see, trading one pair has its benefits. Um, then we had a buy opportunity that was here on the breaking candle retest. So if we would have took this buy from here, at that time, that was a cool 73 pips in 8 hours. So a lot of cleans, a lot of setups presented itself. Um, let me see. Even if you put your floor right here, that would have been an okay area. But I probably would have taken the buy off of here. Right now, I am back bullish. I think the selling opportunities have kind of played out. So my next entry price I would be looking at would be here, possibly. And I'm just gonna mark those off in orange. So I would like to see these 1 hour lower highs get taken out as we move back to the upside. Like I said, I am bullish long term on it. I just was able to identify short term opportunities. I had these zones kind of marked out to see where price could pull back to and reverse. Identify my pullback areas. I'm trying to think of what else is there. So, I mean, I still see those higher lows that was printed. Like I said, this was one zone that if price would have came back to, possibly would have taken the trade off of there. But this one was pretty prime. One, two, three, four. So plenty of touches around this area. So I'll change that note. So that's just kind of what I saw now. I mean, at the time, yeah, GJ was consolidating between this purple area, that purple area to the blue. But then, as you guys can see, we kind of broke out of that area. So I'm just gonna make a new note and say we saw. So now I'm just looking to see how price plays around these orange entry prices. So one hour lower high. So I will be watching these 1 hour lower highs to see if we can get a break to the upside. Would love to see a nice strong bullish move for today. Since we did kind of pull back and retest from, what day is this? The 10th. So let's see what happens. I'll post this in the chat, post the same markup in the chat. It's just a couple of new notes. You guys can study it. When you mark up your charts, kind of find where you would have taken a buy, where you would have taken a sell. Um, would you have taken the trade, or would you just sit and wait? You know, just based off what you see. So we'll see what happens with this trade opportunity. I'll post it in the chat, but yeah, this is kind of what I'm seeing right now. So I'm about to get some sleep. I'm just getting off work, and I will catch you guys later. Peace.